see what he's doing. There's a guy parked out front. And he said he came back there and parked again. A little strange. Where'd he go? Mark's got the motorcycle. Looks like there's somebody in it. I'm gonna ask them what they're doing. Nobody in it now. That's weird. Maybe it broke down.
How did they come back?
They left and they came back? That's weird. Maybe they're out of gas? That doesn't make any sense. Huh. Well. I don't need to water the plants today. They got plenty of water yesterday, 5 inches. It's all dry already. Put the pool over there. They already have a deck up for that. There's a swing for little kids. I just leave it there. There's our Michigan rocks. These are all Michigan rocks on the property. It's funny. Wood pile. There's the other side of the house. And this is the deck for the pool. Kind of small. It looks kind of old, but just got to replace the wood. That's hard. We got a karaoke machine they left here too. That was pretty cool. Let's take a walk inside. We need some new deck furniture here. Well, actually I have some. Now where is he going? He's just right around the yard. Oh, the property we're gonna buy. We found out we're gonna put the, it's back here. There's 5 acres across the street over there for sale, but this property right here, and that fence back, that'll be where the big garage goes. We're gonna buy that piece right here. We just have to take like 4 trees out, and then it goes to the other road. So we'll have 2 access driveways to the house. This one and that one. So okay, let's go inside. Need some new cushions there. I started to do this room, but I don't know what I'm doing yet. Second bath. Oh, it's really super clean today. Washroom. Master bath. Master bedroom. It's got walk-in closet. It's got 2 showers in here. Those curtains gotta go. And we need to paint. So I'm not putting nothing on the walls. I'm gonna do something with that too. Oh, here's where we spend all our time. That old organ's gotta go too.
Anything, you pull me right back in, all right?
This goes back out to the porch. This side. Maybe the deck. Hot tub there, I'm not sure. Here. Still looking at it. The flag's gonna go. Custom these windows. He's still out there wondering what the heck they're doing. Yeah, all these rocks came from Michigan. The people that owned it before us. I got some rose bushes over there. One there and one there. Aloe vera bush. I don't know what this is. Some are roses that are dying. Not sure. I don't know. So yeah, that'll be another lot. So it'll be probably about 2 full acres with that. It's all fenced in except for by the road. But we'll take this fence and put it on the other side. Actually. Yeah, that's right. He said he didn't want to go out that way. For fishing, we got a sink out here. Definite fishing area. Burning barrel. Neighbors. Ugh. We're gonna block them off. And another shed. Junk. What is this? Hey, this is the swimming pool, Mark. Looks like it. Sure does. Most of it needs to be burned. I don't know what the heck's in there. Where'd he go? Videotaping.
Over here, okay. What did y'all think about dinner and other couples not being able to sit by each other?
Oh, that's great.
You know what? At first we were all like, what? But I actually thought sometimes that will spark conversation.
Exhausted.
I didn't know that it continued past dinner now. No, it did not.
It is that we're going to continue to be on different days.
Is that right?
Apollo is with me, I'm telling you. We walking together in the
Yeah,
damn beach.
Cold in this room.
Put your tall heels on and get with it.
My stilts.
Okay, you put them on, you walk on your...
Down. I guess you would not expect it.
I write the budget, so I don't need to read your budget statement.
That was the woodpecker. Ah, he ran away real fast. There's some out there at that little house.
And I do not.
I favor...
I mean, I'm sorry.
I like that little house because it's farther away.
At 100 calories, not all these choices add up. Some are giant, some not so giant. When managing your weight point, bigger is always better. Green Giant.
Boy, they're really moving that little house out there.
Says that fits you want and the season's latest styles you need to help refresh your look for spring. Right now, select suits and sport coats are 60% off because looking good is one look that suits everyone. Men's Warehouse.
Hello? Yeah, I noticed your car's not in the driveway.
2 days ago, I was coming home.
it's in the
Here comes again the woodpecker.
It cost me an arm and a leg.
Here he is.
That's
Look.
hilarious. Sorry.
I'm filming.
Get some of that Midas touch. I'll tell you what stuff needs fixing and what stuff can wait.
He was making a lot of noise on some wood somewhere.
Did not see that.
Blue would have a heyday with these birds.
Semantic and macro don't affect the
So many different kinds.
They use old technology to combat an increasingly
Can't wait to see a canary out there, or one of those loose canaries.
Innovative approach that only allows trusted applications to run without.
And those other kind of birds, what do you call them?
PC Mac is like a VIP list for your PC. You're not on the list.
Ah, we need to block the neighbor's
PC Mac
backyard.
is so effective it stops CryptoLocker. A new
west. For a long time we thought it was a sharp angle, but what Brenner is now saying, he's
Oh,
talking
squirrels.
about this slow curve to the west.
Mark
not
put some
dramatic,
feed on the
but
ground for
something
them, so they leave the birds alone.
Based on what Brenner
There's
described.
2 squirrels now,
A
Mark.
little bit here, that's at 1:07 a.m. Now we move 12
Here
minutes
comes
later,
our
1:19
woodpecker again.
a.m. The co-pilot
He's taking all that
is
food.
telling the pilot, the co-pilot, all right, good night. Move it up 2 minutes now. Okay?
He's looking at me.
21 a.m.
He knows I'm looking at him.
Transponder in the plane stops working.
He's a big
That can only
one.
happen based on a few things, and one of them is intentional. If a human being turns the transponder off, of which there were 2 on the 777. That's at 1:21
Wish that blue one would come back.
At 1:22 a.m. and Thai radar
Come back.
sees the plane
This is
somewhere in
from
this
our Florida
location here
room.
in Thailand.
Every
There's
morning
a
they
plane
come
on the
out,
radar.
all these
Remember,
birds.
it's no longer the sharp western turn. It's more of a gradual loop here, according to Brennan. Go forward again. Remember, the Thai government came out with this information just
Zoom
about
out.
24 hours ago. So they see the
Oh,
plane now
here we
at
go.
1:28.
There's the bluebird.
Go forward again, and we'll
I got him.
toward the timeline about what we are. 1:37 a.m. A-car.
That woodpecker's taking over. That's why the other ones can't get in there.
Catastrophic.
Why don't they just go on the other side?
Intentionally on the plane turn off.
I think on the other side. The other side's
Prevent
closed
anyone
off.
from
Oh, it is closed off? Okay.
Now you're at 2:15 in the morning. Flight 370 last seen on
Now there's
Malaysian military
3 squirrels out there. Oh my gosh. You gave them a lot of food, Mark.
About 3 days ago. And again, we go through the night, okay? At 2:15 a.m., now you're at 11 a.m.
Oh, it's too shaky when I zoom in.
On the satellite. So that 8-car system that was transmitting that information stopped. And then there was
I think there's 3.
a part of the transmission on board the plane that still connects.
Or,
with
wait, that's a pine cone. Never mind.
Every hour, every 60 minutes.
I was filming a pine cone for a while.
8:11 a.m. The last handshake apparently took place. Where was the plane?
Come on.
Salvatore Magoni is an aviation attorney,
Come back.
aviation law professor, and he's with me now here in studio. How you doing? Good morning.
I was filming pine cones.
24 hours
I was counting them as
last night, and I thought,
Piles?
the story-
no, I was counting them as
What do you
squirrels.
think about all that scenario?
To put several routings in their autopilot. And the FMS, which is what they use to input the autopilot, could have been programmed.
The wildlife is pretty abundant here, huh?
For all we know.
I need to burn those leaves tonight.
A couple of commentators talk about the pilot would have to have seen him re-input all that information.
Would you?
No, not at all.
Really?
Not at all.
So if you're the co-pilot or
What's
the
your
pilot,
what's your name?
whomever,
Told her off? I'm sure you did.
the other, you could do it without the other guy even seeing it.
Absolutely. The pilot's reading the newspaper. He's attending to something else.
This is your third 30 minutes in the flight.
Correct, correct. And now the co-pilot goes over and punches in the new routing, which would be a legal way to fly since air traffic.
Where are you,
control
Bluebird?
has to
Come
know
back.
Where we're going next.
So you know these 2 possibilities, right? That at least have been talked about.
There's another feeder right there, but I don't see him. Oh, you didn't feed him out of that one, huh?
Kazakhstan. The other
Wonder if they're feeding out of that other one. I haven't seen them go over there.
Option number 2.
They like that little tree house over there, though.
Australian assets. Do you think that is where the plane went?
Well, if I knew, I'd tell somebody. But obviously, it's hard to tell where he went after
There's
that.
too many squirrels on the ground right now with your food.
Really tried to stay.
Oh, wait, I didn't even know that house.
But even then, do we know?
I forgot about that one.
That's what they think. Remember, there's no transponder.
I can't see that one sitting over there.
Accurate altitude is lost at that point. So what they're using is radar tracks.
Let me see if I get up.
.com.
Oh, as soon as he heard that,
30-day trial and end
took
your
off.
CPAP discomfort. Nomask.com. Go online now.
Starting to slow down. That woodpecker's got to be full by now. Come on. Oh, there's the cardinal way out there. There he is. See him? I can't zoom in. Such a pretty bird. I never used to be a bird watcher till I moved here.
The Obamacare checkup continues. Inside questions and confusion surrounding patient protection. Plus, the former head of FAA security gives us his Flight 370 theory.
See the red one back there?
This is a non-attorney spokesperson. If you or a loved one
Way
used a
back
prescription
there.
testosterone patch, cream, gel, deodorant, or spray, and suffered a stroke, blood clot,
Can't
heart
see
attack,
him
or
very
died,
good
you may
from
be
here.
entitled to money
He's on the other
damages.
side of the
Medical
house,
studies have revealed
kinda.
that men using testosterone supplements are much more likely to suffer a heart attack, blood clot, stroke, or die than men who didn't take testosterone. If you or a loved one used prescription testosterone and suffered a heart attack, blood clot, stroke, or died, call Chromosome Free at 1-800-960-2393. That's 1-800-960-2393.
Straight years. One pill each morning, 24 hours. Zero heartburn.
Oh, it's zoomed in so far, it's shaky.
Body's energy production. It's essential to heart health.
I thought I was going to take a picture, not video.